malaki na fish. I love it. Mas mahaba pa sila kay Joni. Yan.
These are jellyfish. They're so cute. Si Joni magnanarate. Inanarate niya kung ano yung species. Ano ba? Kaya ni Joni yan.
Hindi ko kaya. And, actually, wala na silang description. Ay, upside down jellyfish. Upside down jellyfish. Lion's mane jellyfish. Where's the lion's mane?
Somewhere out there. And then wait now.
White spotted jellyfish. Blue jellyfish.
Ayun yung blue jellyfish. Okay na, tama. Mag-ano ka?
That is a sea anemone.
Si Antarctic mo naman.
No, it's an anemone fish.
There's Nemo.
Yeah.
There's Nemo. There's Nemo. Alam mo, yes, believe it. Ooh, there's a shark. There's a friggin' big shark.
Sige, magsalita ka eh.
And there's a friggin' big and they're friggin' big.
Bakit ganito? Na-enlarge ba sila? Ba't ganyan kaya?
Kasi when you learn to gather it, right? Hindi, actually, ganito
That's shark! Grabe!
Hindi, puminom sila ng cherry coke.
Tama ba yun?
Hindi ko yung shark.
Ay, nakayamahit lang yan. Kasi,
Oh my God!
grabe, puro fish. Shark ulit. Napakadaming nakukuhanan ko yan. At napakalaking stingray. Parang merong something sa paa ko. Asan? Basket.
No, it's Batman.
Picture, Ruth, picture mo kami. Sandali lang. Okay na to? Stop na?
These are all the big fishes. I love it.
This is a dream.
There's a shark right there.
Dum 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 dum.
Ayan pala. Yun naman ang maganda sharks pala ito. That's the big shark na tip.
Look at all the fishes.
And the shark. And shark. And fishy. Kalain mo yun, may dugong dito sa Singapore. Para siyang belat. Para siyang mermaid. Belat. Nilolak ng dugong si Jolie.